just with a twist of a throttle I can overtake anyone, man. Almost 100, bro. Alright, what's up? It's been long. I know I always say the same thing in every video, but this time, so me, Ahlad, and Adarsh, I'm sure you guys know them by this time, in case if you follow these videos regularly. So they're all gonna join. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, I think they're still shy, but Akash is also joining. So we all decided to go to Anantagiri, and it's actually quite hot right now because even though it's raining season, but still happens. That's Hyderabad for you all. So I bought a new helmet. Yeah, this is Axer, and I came here basically is because Alad helped me out in setting up the GoPro and also the mic. So that's about it, and yeah, I'll directly see you on the GoPro POV. Alright, see you. You will have a good walking exercise when you park your vehicle in such big residential properties. Oh boy. Let's go. I hope you guys like the view of this new GoPro setup, so fingers crossed. I'm actually waiting outside. Alad and Adarsh are yet to come. They're yet to join. So, and also Akash is waiting for me at Narsingi. So yeah, let's see. Hey, what's up? Usnara? Let's start. I honestly don't know how the GoPro view is because in my earlier helmet, I was able to see how it was all recording and all. But then, since there's a new helmet and I really didn't get a chance to try and test it out. So I'm directly using it for the vlog. So let's see. I just have to tell Alad also the same thing, that Akash is waiting. Ikkada traffic kena. I hope whatever the wind that I'm actually experiencing in person, I hope all of that wind gets cancelled with that mic. I was actually happy with the previous mic setup itself, but let's see. I needed a better helmet, so switch to this one. Okay. Aja. Yo. They went up, bro.
Oh, there are two people?
Ah.
Just give me 2 minutes to ask.
Adi and all other way ahead of us now. The thing is, I need to get a Senna. I'm unable to communicate with them otherwise because when I wear these gloves, right, I lose access to that phone touch. So I called them and they didn't attend the call. I'm sure for obvious reasons, but let's see. Abhi kya hoga? I hope they stop somewhere. As this is a rainy season, we could go and chill for some time, but then again, it's still, it's not as bad as summer, but then it is still hot, especially when you wear all of these gear, right? And this is what happens. Let's see. Okay? Oh, okay, cool. Looks like Adarsh is out of fuel. Oh no, Alad is out of fuel and we need to take a fuel break as well. What is the time? It's almost 3:10. I think it should take 1.5 to 2 hours to be there. So there are two classics, one Himalayan, that is Ahlad's, and one Interceptor. We covered almost everything. Vikarabad, right anta. Okay. ఆడియో బాగా వస్తే చాలు బాబు, ఆడియో ఇంకా వీడియో. అసలు ఏ యాంగిల్లో ఉంది ఏంటి ఏం తెలియట్లా. Everything was pretty much hurry-burry for me, I mean today. So what happened was, since it's Saturday today and I had to attend one of my friends' marriage, I attended that was at around 11:15, and we decided that we'll start for the ride like around 2 p.m. And what happened, since I bought this new helmet, right, I had no clue that, you know, should I really go for a third party mount for my GoPro just like I did for my previous helmet, or do I directly attach the GoPro mount itself. I did that. Actually, I was supposed to do it a day before, but then due to my laziness I couldn't do that, so I did it everything in hurry-burry. And I was actually scared. I mean, if the GoPro would fall down while I was coming from my house, while I was going from my house to Ahlad's house, but it did hold up well, and he gave me another J mount, so it's pretty much sorted. But I see there's quite a lot of traffic. At least it's moving, so that's okay. Also, I have to thank you guys for getting my Mallana Sagar video for almost above 500 views. Really thank you. I appreciate it a lot. I know that if you actually compare the numbers with the other YouTubers, it's not a lot, but then again for me it is a lot, and it makes me feel special, because I mean, I honestly didn't expect that I would get those many views. And I was at 57 subscribers, and I think I'm at 63 right now. Thank you so much for the support, guys. No more harsh sun, bro. ఇప్పుడు హాయిగా వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. And these two people are going to Hampi in few days. I wish I could join them, but then नया job है, तो training भी है. So I really can't afford to take a leave. It's a 5 days trip. Imagine how much of a content I could make if at all I go there. I can only imagine how much chilly it would be, especially in this place, during, you know, the Novembers and the Decembers, because they're all open places. So whenever there's open space, and then if it's chilly season, it's gonna be crazy chilly. Kottadam. The hand signal is pretty critical, yeah. That's for sure. Especially when you're going on rides and when you do not have Sena, right? Whatever your position is, they'll still be able to understand. ఇప్పుడు బాగా కొట్టచ్చబ్బా ఓపెన్ రోడ్స్. కాసేపు ఇలా నిలబడి నడిపితే అబ్బో, ఫీల్ సో గుడ్ యార్. Almost 100, bro. I missed this. I should have come here long time back. But then, ठीक है. Better late than never. So चलो. Okay. The only other thing is, which I'm not able to understand, sometimes I am forgetting that the GoPro is not recording and I'm talking. पुराना helmet में I was able to see if that was actually recording or not. इसमें that is also not there. But it's okay, I'll get used to it. It all comes down with practice, right? So देखेंगे. I'm properly ripping my bike. 90, 100, 90, 100. I mean, I can go way beyond that, but this is doable and this is safe. ఇంతమంది వెళ్తున్నారా? ఇంతమంది మార్నింగ్ వచ్చారా? వికారాబాద్ 31 kilometers. ఓకే. क्या मस्त नज़ारा है यार, especially with the clouds. And that is the main factor here. Of course the greenery, but there's not a lot of greenery though. But you know what is the best thing to do right now is to stand. Saddling on Alad's Himalayan is way comfortable than doing it on this, but still I'm able to do it without any issues. So, but then that would be better. But the pleasure of driving this bike on highway is something else, guys. You know, just with a twist of a throttle I can overtake anyone, man. We are officially into Anantagiri Reserve Forest area. అమ్మో, మళ్ళీ ఆఫ్ రోడింగ్ ఉంటుందని నాకు తెలియదే. అసలే మన కెమెరా అంతంత మాత్రం ఉంది. అమ్మో, I just hope nothing goes wrong with my bike. I'm not doing any such sort of stunts is because can't really afford to make my GoPro fall again. Oh, looks like we have arrived. Okay. Munda? Sorry. So this is it, guys. This is Anantagiri Hills is one point. There's also another point where we just have to drive and then just get along, but here we can actually stop and enjoy the view. Edi avuna? Okay, well now these people told that there's also another place because there are also other people over here. Let's see. Bro, imagine if at all we are coming back and we have no light. We only have just our headlights. Oh, nice. I'll just stop it here. బాగుంది. చేస్తున్నా. So yeah, this is the viewpoint. So yep, this is the spot that we actually came in, and let me actually show you guys the spot properly. Okay. Wow. Even while climbing down the hill, it's amazing, yaar. Proper ghats, narrow roads. See? Oh my god, look at that view. I don't know if GoPro is doing that justice. Look over there. This is nice. Oh, even this is another viewpoint. Oh wow, look at that sky. I'm pretty damn sure that it's gonna rain here. ठीक है, जाएंगे इधर. So I think, it's gonna get dark anyways right now. So I think it's almost 6. So there's no point in, recording more video. I'm sure the vlog itself has been pretty long. So this was it, guys. And I'll see you in the next video with some other different ride or some other different content. Till then, thank you, guys. In case if you like my content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye.